Trigonometric ratios. In a given triangle ABC, this is capital A and capital B, this is capital C, are called vertex of a triangle. This angle is taken as theta. This is AB is adjacent side and AC is opposite side of theta and BC is hypotenuse. The six trigonometric ratios are: first one, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AC by hypotenuse BC. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by BC. Tan theta is equal to adjacent opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AC by adjacent side AB. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is AB by AC. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is BC by adjacent side AB. And the last one, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is BC by opposite side AC. These six are called trigonometric ratios. Interrelations between trigonometric ratios. First one is sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Second one, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Third one, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Fourth one, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Fifth one, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. From the first one, that implies sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. From this, secant theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These are the interrelations between the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Second trigonometric identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to under root of secant square theta minus 1. Third trigonometric identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to under root of cosec square theta minus 1. These three are called trigonometric identities. Values of trigonometry. Values of trigonometry. First we take value 0 degree and 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. These are written in radian measure. 0 degrees, this is pi by 6, and this is pi by 4, this is pi by 3, and this is pi by 2, that is 90 degrees. So take 1 for this. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dividing by these values by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. That is 0 by 4 is 0, and 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. This is 3 by 4, 4 by 4 is 1. Take root of these values. Root 0, root 1 by 4, root 1 by 2, root 3 by 4, root 1. Root 0 is 0, root over 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, root over 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2, root over 3 by 4 is 3 by root 2, root 1 is 1. These values is taken for sin theta, that is sin 0 degrees is 0, and sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. These values is taken for sin theta. And take the reverse of these values, that is cos theta. 1 is written in starting. 1 root 3 by 2, and 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. These values for cos theta, that is cos 0 degrees is 1, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees is 0. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, tan theta means, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin values by cos values, that is 0 by 1, that is 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, here 2 cancel, that is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 by, that is root 3, 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is, that is not defined, and these values taken in reverse, that value is taken as cot theta. Cot theta values is 0 degrees not defined, cot 30 degrees root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3, cot 90 0. And cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Take the values of sin theta in reverse, we get cosec theta values. Sin theta values is 0, 1 by 0 is not defined, 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2, 1 by 1 by root 2, that is root 2, and 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3, 1 by 1, that is 1. So therefore cosec 0 degrees is not defined, cosec 30 degrees 2, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 62 by root 3, cosec 91. And take reverse of these values, we get secant theta. So secant theta values is 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and not defined. So sec 0 degrees is 1, sec 30 degrees is 2 by root 3, sec 45 is root 2, sec 60 degrees is 2, sec 90 degrees is not defined. These are the values of trigonometric ratios. Types of angles. First one is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. If 0 less than theta less than 90 degrees, then theta is called acute angle. Second one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. If 90 degrees less than theta less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Third one, reflex angle. Reflex angle. If 180 degrees less than theta less than 360 degrees is called reflex angle. Third one, fourth one, complex angle. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. If sum of two angles is a right angle, Then the two angles are called complementary angles. Sum of two angles means A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Then the two angles are called complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. If sum of the two angles is a straight angle, then two angles are called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means sum of the two angles A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Then the two angles are called supplementary angles. If theta is one angle, 180 minus theta is second angle. Next, conjugate angles. Conjugate angles. If the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, then the two angles are called conjugate angles. Sum of two angles means A plus B is equal to 360 degrees. That angles are called conjugate angles. Next, quadrant angles. Quadrant angles. Quadrant angles means the angles 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degrees are called quadrant angles. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degrees are called quadrant angles. Next one, allied angles. Allied angles. Allied angles means 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta are called allied angles of theta. Determination of trigonometric ratios for allied angles. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. These two are intersecting at a point O. This is called x-axis and this is y-axis. This is called first quadrant Q1, this is second quadrant Q2, this is third quadrant Q3, this is fourth quadrant Q4. So this angle is 90 degrees. So 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. This is 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. This total angle is 180. This one 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. This is 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. This is 360 plus theta. If this angle is taken as theta, minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. This is minus theta. So this direction taken as positive direction and this direction is taken as negative direction. So minus theta also lies in fourth quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant sin theta and cosec theta are positive. In third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive. In fourth quadrant cos theta and secant theta are positive. A S T C, that means A means all. In first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Second one S. In second quadrant sin theta and inverse of sin theta, that is cosec theta, are positive. T means in third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive, rest are negative. C means in fourth quadrant cos theta and secant theta are positive, rest are negative. From this figure, sin of 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Here is sin, The angle is 90. Sine changes to cos, that is cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Second one, cos of 90 minus theta, that is 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Here is 90. Cos changes to sine, that is sine theta. Tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant tan theta is positive. Here is 90. Tan changes to cot. So cot of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant cot theta is positive. Here is 90. Cot changes to tan theta. And sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Sine of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine theta is positive. Here is 90. 90 changes, sine changes to cos theta. Cos of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos theta is negative, that is minus. Here is 90. Cos changes to sine, that is minus sine theta. Tan of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan theta negative, that is minus. Here is 90. Tan changes to cot. So cot of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cot theta negative. Here is 90. Cot changes to tan, that is tan theta. Sec of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sec minus. Here is 90. Sec changes to cosec theta. And cosec of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cosec theta positive. Here is 90. Cosec changes to sec theta, that is cosec of 90 plus theta is secant theta. And sine of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine theta positive. Here is 180. Sine changes to sine, that is sine theta. Cos of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos theta negative. Here is 180. Cos changes to cos, that is cos theta. Tan of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan negative, that is tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Similarly cot of 180 minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, and sec of 180 minus theta is equal to minus sec theta, and cosec of 180 minus theta is equal to cosec theta plus cosec theta, because 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cosec theta is positive, that is cosec 180 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And sine of minus theta. Here minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sine theta is negative, that is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos theta is positive, that is cos theta. Tan of minus theta, that is minus tan theta. And cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sec of minus theta, that is equal to secant theta. And cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. If ABC are the angles of a triangle ABC, then show that first one sine of A plus B is equal to sine C. Here is given A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. That means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. From this equation, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. First one is sine. Applying sine on both sides. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine of 180 minus C. Sine 180 minus C is sine C. That is the answer. Second one is cos of A plus B. That is cos of A plus B means cos of 180 minus C. 180 minus C lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos negative. That is minus cos C. Third one is sine of A plus B by 2. That is equal to sine of A plus B means 180 minus C by 2. That is equal to sine of 90 minus C by 2. Sine 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, sine theta is positive. Here is 90. Sine changes to cos. That is equal to cos C by 2. Fourth one, cos of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of B plus C means 180 minus A by 2. That is equal to cos of 180 by 2 is 90. 90 minus A by 2. Cos 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Here is 90. Cos changes to sine. That is sine A by 2. If A comma B comma C comma D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, then show that first one sine A plus sine B is equal to sine C plus sine D. Second one cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. Here is given capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. That means opposite angle, sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. That is A plus C is equal to 180 degrees and B plus D is equal to 180 degrees. From this equation, A is equal to 180 minus C. From this, B is equal to 180 degrees minus D. Applying sine on both sides, sine A is equal to sine of 180 minus C. 180 minus C lies in second quadrant. That is sine A is equal to sine C. From this, applying sine on both sides, sine B is equal to sine of 180 minus D. That is sine B is equal to sine D. This is first equation and this is second equation. Add these two equations. First equation plus second equation. That implies sine A plus sine B is equal to sine C plus sine D. Second one. So A is equal to 180 minus C. Applying cos on both sides, cos A is equal to cos of 180 minus C. Cos A is equal to 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos negative. Here is 180. Cos changes to cos. So cos A is equal to minus C. That is cos A plus cos C is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And B is equal to 180 minus D. Applying cos on both sides, cos B is equal to cos of 180 minus D. So cos B is equal to minus cos D. Cos B plus cos D is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So first equation plus second equation, that implies cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. That is the eliminate theta from the each of the following. First one is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. First one, x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. So squaring on both sides, that is x square is equal to a square cos square theta and y square is equal to a square sin square theta. and add these two equations, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. So x square plus y square is equal to a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square into 1. Therefore x square plus y square is equal to a square. Second one, x is equal to a cos theta. From this equation cos theta is equal to x by a and y is equal to b sin theta. From this equation sin theta is equal to y by b. Squaring and adding these two equations, that is cos square theta is equal to x square by a square and sin square theta is equal to y square by b square. Add these two equations, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, that is equal to 1 is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. This is the answer. Third one, x is equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan theta. From this equation secant theta is equal to x by a and tan theta is equal to y by b. So squaring, x secant square theta is equal to x square by a square and tan square theta is equal to y square by b square. So secant subtracting these two equations, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1, that is 1 is equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square. This is the answer. And fourth one, x is equal to secant theta plus tan theta and y is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Multiplying these two equations, that is x into y, xy is equal to secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So xy is equal to, that is a plus b into a minus b. This is written as secant square theta minus tan square theta. Xy is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. That is the answer. X by a sin theta plus y by b cos theta is equal to 1 and x by a cos theta minus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Then show that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. Given equation is x by a sin theta plus y by b cos theta is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, that implies this is a plus b whole square, that is x square by a square cos sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta plus 2xy by ab sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Second equation is given x by a cos theta minus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, that is x square by a square cos square theta plus y square by b square sin square theta minus 2xy by ab sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Add these two equations, 2xy by ab sin theta cos theta and 2xy by ab sin theta cos theta cancel. From these two, x square by a square take common, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. From these two, y square by b square common, y square by b square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 1. x square by a square into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and y square by b square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, that is 2. That is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2.